line mein. Another moment, we've got some very, very important guests. Dr. Arun Vakil, thank you very much for coming over here, sir. So nice of you. You are the chairman of the Indo-American Society. Ashank Desai sahab, बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद आपका यहाँ पर आने के लिए. Thank you. Really, it's a real pleasure and a real honor to welcome you here in the studio, sir. You are the chairman of Mastech. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Vijay Mukhi, thank you very much, sir, for coming over here. It's been a real pleasure. And we've been trying to get you over here for some time, but somehow or the other, you've always eluded us. All the same, thank you very much for coming over here. Mr. Vijay Mukhi, as you all know, is the MD of Vijay Mukhi's Computer Institute, and Dr. M.S. Kabadia, who is an economist with Economic Research India Limited. Dr. M.S. Kabadia, thank you very much for coming over here, sir. And our own Panditji, him you know. Pandit R.K. Sharma, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे शुरू करता हूँ. Thank you very much for coming over here and for the fact that you are the one person who's actually predicted both the elections absolutely accurately.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations to you for the fact that Mr. George W. Bush is once again the president of this country. और हम अपने दर्शकों को याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि 3 एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स के बीच में बैठ करके पंडित जी ने ये प्रेडिक्शन करी थी और उसके पहले भी 2.5 महीना पहले यहीं पर इसी जगह पर सारा समय मुंबई पर पंडित जी ने प्रेडिक्शन की थी कि जॉर्ज बुश वापस आएंगे और हिंदुस्तान के लिए बहुत अच्छे साबित होंगे, ऐसा उन्होंने कहा था. क्या अभी भी आप यही कहते हैं?
Yes, sir. I am very sure about when I calculate his date of birth and look at his chart. I am very sure that his chart and with Mrs. Gandhi's chart and Mr. Manmohan Singh's chart, it is going to be a very good compatibility between America and India.
And one last word from you, Pandit R.K. Sharma ji. Where do you see this market going?
Which market?
As far as the IT is concerned, where do you see that going?
IT market is now as in last 6 to 7 years, .com was going down and down. It was declining. When I talk about .com, means these companies, these all gentlemen are experts of that. And it was prediction because of Saturn and Venus.
शनि और शुक्र की वजह से
हुआ था. But in last 15 months, Saturn has changed. And it is gone into some beautiful angle. So .com companies and computer companies and software companies, even in India, as he was talking about European countries are small pockets of different languages. So the market is not too big. He's absolutely right. But in India, you will see booming.
You will see the IT market booming,
IT
right?
Market booming.
All right. So.